The issue of penis size dates back to thousands of centuries. Men have been searching for answers on how to make your penis look bigger as early as how they could cook food or hunt the saber-tooth or the mammoth. This concern is as natural as wanting sex to be satisfying and desiring a more attractive image. Call it vanity or call it instinct, but until the present times, men have continued to seek ways on achieving longer and bigger penises. There are actually natural methods on how to make your penis look bigger. It involves exercises, and some anthropologists actually surmise even the earliest men have practices these methods. These exercise routines have been proven safe, cost nothing and are very effective. It's time you tried these exercises and see for yourself if it's an effective means on how to make your penis look bigger. 1. The towel stretch is probably the most common penis enlargement exercise. It's usually integrated with other routines because it is known to protect the muscles in the penis and genital area. All you have to do is soak a small towel in hot water for 5 minutes, then wring off the excess water. With just enough heat, wrap the towel around your penis for a few minutes. Then grab your wrapped penis and pull the head forward, backward and then from left to right. This process increases blood flow in your rod, and it's best to do the routine before and after an exercise. 2. The Jelk technique is all about achieving healthier skin and muscles of your penis. Using lubricants, you massage your penis from the base to the head for about 5 to 10 minutes. With regularized blood flow, the tissues grow better and bigger. 3. The clockwork extension stretches your penis muscle for the same purpose as the Jelk technique. To do this, firmly hold your penis head and stretch as far as it goes down. Then do the same, this time, going up. Next, keep it stretched while moving it in a complete circle. 4. The bending technique is done with your penis in a semi-erect stage. Just stretch it towards the scrotum and literally sit on your penis for 5 minutes. Repeat the routine several times to achieve longer, bulkier penis. While in the earlier history of men options for penis enlargement were limited, today is an entirely different story. But don't get caught in a whirlpool of products and devices, for they have downsides. The natural ways on how to make your penis look bigger works effectively, and it's your safest and most healthy answer. There are many steps on how to make your penis look bigger. http://www.how-to-grow-your-penis.info. If you are interested in learning more about increasing the size of your penis, you may visit us today by clicking here www.how-to-grow-your-penis.info. http://www.how-to-grow-your-penis.info.